Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever look around your house and feel like you're living in organized chaos? We use the same things every single day: spoons, socks, hair clips, rubber bands, and somehow, we never realize their hidden superpowers. We just go about our business, using them for their intended boring purpose. Well, today, that all changes. I'm going to show you 5 everyday items that you've been using completely wrong, yet somehow, completely right. These are the kinds of hacks that make you wonder, why didn't I think of that? So, grab a seat, maybe a misplaced spoon, and let's fix our lives, one ridiculous but brilliant idea at a time. This is where we learn to work smarter, not harder. First up, let's talk about cars. You know that sinking feeling when you've got a refreshing drink, but your car's side door pocket is just a gaping void with no cup holder? You try to wedge it in there, but one sharp turn later, you've got a soda swimming pool on your floor mat. It's the worst. But what if I told you the solution is probably in your laundry basket? The problem, no cup holder. The solution, a sock. Yep, you heard me. A clean sock, and I have to emphasize clean, can be your new best friend on the road. Just stretch it over your can or bottle and wedge it into that useless door slot. The fabric grips the container and the pocket, creating a snug, secure fit. Perfect for road trips, daily commutes, or those chaotic family car rides where every inch of space counts. Is it stylish? Absolutely not. Will people give you weird looks? Probably. But is it effective? 100%. Just maybe don't wear that sock again afterward, unless you like the smell of stale soda. Your call. All right. Hack number 2 is for all of you who love watching videos on your phone but can never find a decent way to prop it up. You've tried leaning it against a water bottle, a stack of books, your half-eaten sandwich, and it always ends with your phone sliding face down onto the table with a tragic little thud. The struggle is real. But the next time you can't find a proper phone stand, just head to your kitchen drawer and grab a spoon. A simple metal spoon. All you need to do is apply a little pressure and bend it gently in the middle, right where the handle meets the bowl. Just a slight curve is enough. And boom, you've created an instant minimalist phone stand. Is it an ergonomic masterpiece of engineering? Not really. Will it win any design awards? Definitely not. But I can tell you from experience, it holds your phone with more stability and reliability than my last relationship. It's simple, it's always available, and it gets the job done. Moving on to hack number 3, let's solve a problem that has plagued humanity for centuries: needing a door to stay open when your hands are full. You're carrying in groceries, moving boxes, or just trying to air out a room, and the door has a mind of its own, constantly swinging shut and locking you out. You could use a heavy book or a shoe as a doorstop, but that's just clumsy. Here's a much more elegant solution: a rubber band. Seriously, that's it. Take a regular rubber band, loop it over the doorknob on one side, stretch it across the edge of the door, twist it once to create a cross over the latch, and then loop the other end over the knob on the other side. The rubber band will now hold the latch in, preventing it from catching in the door frame. The door can still swing, but it won't lock. It's like magic, only cheaper, and you already have it in your junk drawer. It's an incredibly simple fix for a super annoying problem. Hack number 4 is for anyone whose desk looks like a digital jungle. Cables for your phone, your laptop, your headphones, your monitor. They're everywhere, tangled into an evil knot that seems to grow bigger every day. It's a mess. It's frustrating. And it makes your workspace feel completely chaotic. You could buy expensive cable organizers, but why bother? Instead, look in your bathroom drawer or on your vanity for some hair clips, specifically those claw-style clips. Just clip them along the back or side edge of your desk, and you've instantly created a series of perfect channels to run your cables through. They hold the wires securely, keep them separated, and make everything look neat and tidy in seconds. It's so simple, yet so effective. Plus, there's something oddly satisfying about seeing all those unruly cables finally tamed. And let's be honest, It adds a touch of glamour to your cable management. Who else has diamond-studded cable clips? And finally, my favorite hack of all, because it feels like actual sorcery. Over time, your car's headlights can get foggy, yellow, and oxidized, making them look old and dimming their brightness, which is a real safety issue. You could pay a professional to restore them, or buy one of those expensive kits. Or, you could just go to your bathroom and grab your toothpaste. Yes, toothpaste. This is real magic. Squeeze a good amount of regular, non-gel toothpaste onto a sponge or a soft cloth. Now, rub it onto your foggy headlights in firm, circular motions for about 30 to 60 seconds. You're essentially using the mild abrasives in the toothpaste to polish away the cloudy layer. Once you're done, wipe it all clean with a wet cloth and prepare to be amazed. Your headlights will be clearer, brighter, and look almost new. Who knew that minty freshness worked on cars too? So, there you have it. A sock cup holder, a spoon phone stand, a rubber band doorstop, a hair clip cable organizer, and toothpaste headlight polish. As you can see, not everything needs to be used the right way. Sometimes, the weirdest, most unexpected fixes are the ones that work the best. Because at the end of the day, creativity isn't about having the perfect tool for every job. It's about looking at what you've got and trying something a little bit stupid that actually works. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these life-altering, or at least life-simplifying hacks, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. See you next time.